What is that? Hello? He's still there. Okay. Hello. What's up? So today I'm gonna be making some granola bars. I want to make these granola bars because I bought this big ass bag of pitted dates. And I love dates. So much as though I bought a 2.5 pound bag of dates. But I don't eat them that often. I feel like they're gonna go bad before I eat them all. So I'm gonna make some granola bars. And I don't have a food processor, which is what every single recipe calls for. Is an ant. Hello? Gross. So I don't have a food processor, but I do have a magic bullet, which is mainly only for smoothies. But that's all I got, so that's how we gotta do this today. So a lot of the recipes that I was looking at had a bunch of the same stuff, so I'm just gonna make up my own. So I'm gonna be putting in some dates, peanut butter, chia seeds, the rest of this honey almond bare naked granola, which is not a lot in there, so it's, I don't really know. And what else am I putting in? Do I have almonds? These are smoked pepper almonds. I want to put like mini Reese's peanut butter cups, but I don't have these, so I'm just gonna put regular mini chocolate chips and hope they're still tasty. So, is that really all I'm putting in here? These aren't gonna be very good. Do I have anything in here? Oh, I need some dried craisins. I'm gonna go see if I have some. I didn't find any craisins, unfortunately, but I have this small pack of peanuts that I'm gonna put in. And crush up these pretzels. Is this too many things in my magic bullet? I'm gonna put in these salted peanuts. I'm gonna put in all the dry ingredients first, and I'm also not gonna measure anything. So about that many peanuts, that many pretzels. Should I put the chia seeds in here too, or should I add them at the end? I decided that now is a good time. Should I put this in there too? I don't know what to do. Oh, this is a clump. Are these still good? It smells funny. March 20th, 2019. Should I taste it first? Good thing I tasted it first. Not adding the granola. Now I need oatmeal though. This is a process. Okay, I'm gonna put the chocolate chips in here. And I'm gonna blend these up. So it's a clump. I don't know about this. I think I ground those up too much, but I mean, it's too late now, so I'm gonna put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17. I don't know how these are gonna blend. Now it's just in little bits. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I need a spoon. I'm just gonna mix it around with my hands now, actually, to form, hopefully, chunks that aren't too sticky. If they are too sticky, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I didn't add enough dates, so I want them to be formed like this consistency, kind of, so it forms into a bar. So I'm gonna blend up some more dates and also probably add some more chocolate chips. So I put in probably 20 dates this time, and my magic bullet couldn't take it, so now I'm gonna chop them up. What's a blob? Look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna try and add this to my mixture of the already blended dates. Okay, I'm just gonna pour this out on my cutting board now, actually. Oh, maybe this is a bad idea. I need a bigger cutting board. I felt like it was kind of hard to mix it in the bowl with my hands. So now I could kind of knead it like a dough. Maybe. Oh God, it's so crumbly. How do people do this? Oh yeah, with a food processor. Oh my God, this is only gonna make like 6 bars. Normally you would want to put this in like an 8x8 pan and press it nice and evenly, but we don't have time for that. Now I have this. Perfect. Now we have 1 giant granola bar. Oh my God, I was supposed to add protein powder. Too late now. I'm just gonna cut these and hope they're okay. I was supposed to add protein powder, craisins, toasted almonds. None of that happened, but they're still good. I wish I had more peanuts because I really like the peanut aspect of it. And pretzels. I mean, I'd say quick and easy if you have a food processor. I'm gonna go make Jeffrey try one of these and get his reaction.
What are we doing?
Well, I already went to the gym and everyone already tried the granola bars. Did you like them?
They were the best granola bar I've had all year. That being said, I don't think I've eaten any granola bars this year, but they were delicious.
He said I have to make them and bring them to parties as if it's a party food. But